Greetings, ABPsi family. Dr. Adeeba Deterville, also known as Dr. D here. Just recording this really quick video to, first of all, say thank you. Thank you, ABPsi, for allowing me to have served as your General Assembly Chair for the last 2 years. And I'm really hopeful that you will allow me to continue my journey in that role for the next 2 years. And so I'm recording this video to let you know what my intentions are moving forward, if so selected to be able to do so. I really want to continue to build on what we've started. We had a fabulous in-person and virtual hybrid mid-year conference this year in New Orleans. Those of you who attended know how grand of a time we had. Not only was it fun, being able to be together in New Orleans and experience the community there and make some really profound connections that will have positive impact not only on the New Orleans parish community, but also on ABPsi. And those who attended virtually, you all had an opportunity as well to engage with one another in interactive sessions. And so I want to thank you. Thank you, everyone who attended the mid-year. Moving forward, I want us to work collectively as a full body of ABPsi. That is the goal and that is the point of the General Assembly. The General Assembly is not the chair. It is not the secretary. It's not the vice chair. The General Assembly is you. And so my hope and intention for the next couple of years, if so allowed to be able to continue, is to get you all more involved, to get you more engaged. We have a number of committees, and I need you. I need you. ABPsi needs you. We need one another. ABPsi is us, and we are ABPsi. And so my intention, again, is to get more engagement, more participation, to serve on the membership committee, on the mid-year planning committee, on the policy committee. We have so many wonderful, wonderful opportunities for our membership to participate and be active in the General Assembly. So not only is this video a call for you to vote for me so that I may be able to continue to serve as your General Assembly Chair, but it is a call to me, to you, or a call from me to you. It's a call from me to you to serve ABPsi as participants, active participants in the General Assembly. So let's do this together for another 2 years. You vote for me and I vote for you, and we will be able to do this together and manifest in much more of its fullness the mission, vision, and values of our beloved association. Looking forward to getting your vote and looking forward to being and continuing to build for eternity with you.